Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to request VR at Craven Community College. Please note that VR headset usage is available for currently enrolled Craven Community College students only. The first thing we will need to do is navigate to the library website. From the Craven Community College homepage, click on Attending Craven. Under Support Services, click on Library. Now you have reached the library homepage. Once you are on the homepage, click on Services and Request VR. This takes you to our VR request page. Here you can see there are several different options to choose from. If you need to reserve VR for a class assignment, simply click on the assignment you are required to do. If you would like to just play VR for fun, simply choose Other. Let's reserve a time for the InSpirit Chemistry app. When you scroll down, you can see the dates that are available. Let's look at next Monday. There are 4 times available, so we'll choose one. Below that, you will fill in your contact information and initial that you will follow the rules and you're only signing up yourself. Then click the Book button. The pop-up confirms your booking and lets you know that you will also receive a confirmation email. Click OK. From the confirmation page, you can reschedule your booking, cancel it, or create a new additional booking. When your scheduled time arrives, please visit the circulation desk at the library. We will confirm your booking and get you set up in our VR room. Thanks for watching.